Yeah, hi Laz, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've started doing some of your lasers here, and I'm uploading videos for you now. So this one basically, this is number one, and I basically given it a really good clean. These parts that you sent me are very old. You know, I've put new lasers in there and I've serviced them, or I've serviced this one, and you know, I've given the cogs a good clean. They're quite worn, and obviously I've put a new laser in there for you, and it is all working as it should be. So hopefully you're happy with this one. This one, like I say, was a laser, a clean, micro switch, etc. So I'll just turn that up for you. So yeah, that's disc one for you, number one. So that's all done, that's ready to ship, and I'll upload you more videos. Thank you very much. Les in Denmark.